Dear students, I am Devinder, your math sir. Now you can see. Now you can see here class 8 maths decimal representation of rational numbers. You know that rational numbers 1 by 2, 17 by 5, 13 by 25, 5 by 3, 1 by 7, 1 by 3, 11 by 9. I have taken some of the examples here. We need to convert them into decimal numbers. How can you convert? First you can see here. Once you can see here all these are numerators or not? Yes, these are the denominators. First you can do, what is the first step here? Divide the numerator by the denominators. See, for example, I am taking here 17 by 5. First you need to do which one? You need to divide numerator by denominator. Then you can do the division process. You know that, see, 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10, 5 3 is 15, 5 4 is 20. So don't take 4 times, you can take only 3 times. 5 3 is how much? 15. Is remainder is how much? 17 minus 5. You will get here how much? 2. Once you can observe here, 2 is less than 5 or not? Yes. So that you can put decimal point here. You can put here decimal point. You can observe here. Whenever we are putting here decimal point in the quotient, you can write also here. Take decimal point. After that, after giving decimal point in dividend, you can write here 0 after decimal point, and also you can take 0 at the remainder also. You can take 0 also. Now you can see here 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10, 5 3 is 15, 5 4 is 20. That means can I take 5 4 is how much? 20. See, you are getting remainder 0 or not? Yes. Is it okay? Now you can see here 17 by 5 can be written as 17 by 5 can be written as 3.4 or not? Yes or no? Here 0.4 is called as decimal part only. This is finite or not? Yes, this is finite. So that these decimals are called as terminating decimals. These are called as terminating decimals. Very easy. First you can divide the numerator by the denominator, then you can do the division process until the remainder is less than divisor or till. Now you can see here another one. I am taking here 5 by 3. How can you do? Just you can see here 5 by 3. That means here 5 is numerator or not? 3 is the denominator or not? Now you can say take here division. 3 1 is how much? 3. 3 2 is how much? 6. So don't take 2 times. You can take only 1 time. 3 1 is 3. Remainder is how much? 5 minus 3 is 2. Once you can observe 2 is less than 3 or not? Yes, so that you can keep your decimal point. Here also you can keep decimal point. After that you can write here 0. After decimal point you can place here 0. Here also in remainder 0 you can write here. How many times it will go? You can see here 20. How many times? You know 3 table. 3 6 yeah 18. Yes or no? Next time you can take 20 minus 18. How much? 2 only. Already decimal point is available, so you can take directly 0 in the remainder. Here 20. How many times? Once again 6 times. 6 times. 3 6 yeah 18. Next one also here getting remainder is how much? 2 only. That means here 0. 3 6 how much? Yeah 18. See here repeating quotient as 6 6 or not? That means each and every time you are getting remainder is 2 2 2. In the next time also 20 minus 18 means how much remainder? 2 or not? That means this is non-terminating. Is it terminating? Is it, once you can see, is it terminating as like as in the previous problem? Not terminating. It is non-terminating and repeating. See the quotient, see repeating 6 6 6 or not? So that only these are the called as non-terminating. These decimals are called as non-terminating recurring decimals. We can call it as non-terminating, recurring or repeating. We can call it as recurring or repeating decimals. Why? Because here 0.666 is not finite, it is infinite. See, here it is finite. If it is finite decimal part, we can call it as terminating decimal. If the decimal part is not finite, we can call it as non-terminating recurring decimals or non-terminating repeating decimals. Now you can see here period definition. The set of digits which repeats in non-terminating recurring decimal is called as period. See here 0.333. That means here 3 is repeating or not. So that can I write here 0.3 bar or not? Just you can write which number is repeating. You can put a bar on the digit. Here also once you can see here 0.12757575 and so on. That means here once you can observe here 75 is repeating or not. So that can I write here 0.1275 bar. You can put bar on which numbers are repeating. See here, what they are mentioned here, the set of digits, here 3 is repeating or not. So that the period is how much? Period is 3 only. See here 0.12757575. Here which set of digits are repeating? 75 or not. So the period is how much? The period is, you can write here, the period is how much? 7 5. This is the period. Period means the set of digits which are repeated. See one more here, periodicity. Periodicity means the number of digits in a period. See, this is the period or not? Period. How many digits are available? Only one. Here how many digits are available? Only two. This is called as periodicity. See here, the number of digits in a period of non-terminating decimal is called as periodicity. See here 0.333 and so on. We can be represented as 0.3 bar. Yes or no? See how many number of digits are repeating here? Only one or not? That means here you can write here periodicity is how much? One only. 0.1275. See how many number of digits are repeating? 2 or not? That means 1 is 7, 1 is 5. That means 2 numbers are repeating or not? So that you are writing here the periodicity of that non-terminating decimal is how much? 2 only. These are very useful in the exercise once you can practice this one. Now you can see here exercise 1.3 question number 1. Express each of the following decimal in the form of P by Q form. First one here 0.57, next one here 0.176. Now I am explaining once you can see here two problems. See here first I told in the previous examples also how to do. See here 0.57. First you can see here how many decimal digits are available. After decimal point how many digits are available? 2 digits are not. 5 7. See this is a decimal point. After decimal point how many digits are available? 2 digits. So that in the denominator you can write here. See directly I am writing here. See 0.57 is equal, in the denominator you can write 2 zeros. See if there are 3 digits are available after decimal point you can write 3 zeros. Here how many digits? Only 2 zeros. So that I am writing 2 zeros annexed by 1. Next you can write the remaining number as same. You can write here 57. That means your answer is how much? 57 by 100 is your answer. If it is possible you can simplify, but it's not simplified form. Already it is not possible to simplify. So you can leave this as your answer. Next one here 0.176. How can you write here once you can see here 0.176 is equal. First you can write the denominator. See how many digits are available after decimal point? 1 2 3. So that you can keep 3 zeros. 1 2 3 annexed by 1. That means you can write 1. You can write the remaining number as same 176. Your answer is how much? 176 by 1000. But once you can see, is it simplified form? Not simplified form. So if it is possible you can simplify it. Here 2 8 just 16, 2 8 just 16, 2 5 just 10. How much? You can write here 2 zeros directly. 2 4 ja 8, 2 4 ja 8. Here how much? 2 2 ja 4. 10 means 2 5 ja 10. You can write here. Next here 2 2 ja 4, 2 2 ja 4. You can write here 2 1 ja 2 2 ja 4, 2 5 ja 10. That means you can write here 0.176 is equal to how much? Your answer is 22 by 125. This is a rational number. They are asking just convert the decimal number to rational number. This is your answer. In the similar way you can do the remaining problems. Now you can see here exercise 1.3 question number 2. Express each of the following decimals in the rational form. That means here P by Q. Already they given that 0.57 bar. That means here 5 and 7 are repeating digits. Yes or no? Already we have discussed it. This is a non-terminating recurring decimal. Yes or no? Yes. Once you can take here let, first of all I am taking here let x is equal 0.57 bar. That means here which numbers are repeating here? 5 7. So that you can write here 0.57. You can write here 57 and 57 and so on. First of all, you can take it as first equation. See here the periodicity of the decimal is how much 2. See here period is 57. Periodicity, how many digits are repeating in the period? Only 2 or not. So that you take here how much periodicity of the decimal is how much 2 only. So we multiply both sides of the equation 1 by which number? If the periodicity is 2, you can multiply with 100. If the periodicity of decimal is 1, you can multiply with 10. If the periodicity of the decimal is 3, you can multiply with 1000. Now you can see here, if it is 2, you were multiplying with 100. We get here 100 into x is equal 100x is equal 100 into 0.575757. That means here, whenever we are multiplying with 100, the two digits move to right sides. That means here this decimal point move to here. That means I am writing here 57.5757 and so on. Now you can subtract 1 from 2. You can subtract from 1 from 2. See here 100x is, this is the second one, is equal 57.5757 and x is equal 0.5757. This is the first equation. You can subtract here 100x minus 6. That means here by default it is having 1 or not. That means here 100x minus 1. How much here? Can I write here 99x or not? Yes, 99x is equal. You can write here 57. Already you know that 7 minus 7 0, 5 minus 5 0, 7 minus 7 0, 5 minus 5 0. That means here point 57 minus 0 how much? 57 only. That means here 99x is equal 57 means can you write here x is equal 57 by 99 or not? Yes. Why? Because you can transpose 99 to RHS, you will get 57 by 99. See what is mean by x here? X is equal 0.57 bar or not? So that you can write here 0.57 bar is equals 57 by 99. This is your answer. See here, is it simplified form or not? Once check it. 57 by 99. Once you can check with 3 3 how much? 3 3 9. Here also 3 3 9. Here answer. Once check it 3 1 3. The next one 27. That means 3 9 27. That means your answer is how much? We have to write here 0.57 bar is equals 19 by 33. This is your solution. Now you can see here another question. We need to convert decimal number to rational number. What is the given number? 12.28 bar. See here, which number is repeating here? Only 8, not 28. You can remember only 8 digit is repeating. First you can take here, let x is equal 12.28 bar. 28 bar means you can write here 8, 8, 8. You can take this is as first equation. Once you can see here the periodicity of the decimal is how much? Here periodicity of the decimal is 1 or 2. Only one digit is repeating, so that you can write here periodicity of the decimal is only 1. Yes or no? 1. So that you can multiply both sides of 1 by which number? We should multiply with only 10. If it is 1, you can multiply with 10. If it is 2, you can multiply with 100. We get here 10 into x is equal 10 into 12.288. If I am multiplying with 10, the decimal point will move to right side 1 places. That means here 12, this decimal point will move to here. That means here 122.888. This is the second equation. Now you can subtract first equation from second one. See here 10x is equal to 122.888 minus x is equal to how much? 12.288. Next you can subtract here 10x minus x means it is 1. 10 minus 1 how much? 9x is equal. See here 8 minus 8 0, 8 minus 8 0, 8 minus 2 is how much? 6 only. Here point 2 minus 2 how much? 0. 2 minus 1 how much? 1 only. Here 1 only 1. That means we can write here 9x is equal to 110.6. That means x is equal, can I write here 110.6 by 9 or not? When I am transposing 9 to RHS. But you can, to remove the decimal point, you know that how to write here 1106 by 9 into 10. Can I write or not? While removing decimal point, you can write here 10 as the denominator. That means here you can write here 1106 by 90. Yes or no? Yes, this is the x value. But once you can see here, is it simplified form? Not simplified form. So that you can simplify it. 2 5 how much? 10 only. 2 5 10. 2 3 6 here. 2 4 8. 2 5 10. That means here x is equal to how much? 553 by 45. What do you mean by x value? See here, x means it is a 12.28 bar or not? That means you can write here 12.28 bar is equal to 553 by 45. This is your answer. Thank you for watching this video.